Hello, this is Jeff with Truck and Trailer, your capital for commercial vehicle sales, service, and secure truck parking. Today we have a very nice 2019 ISUZU NPR powered by the 5.2-liter turbo diesel engine with only 54,000 miles. We have this ISUZU in stock here at our dealership and it is ready to go to work today. On the rear, we have an FRP constructed Supreme cargo box that is very clean and ready for your wrap logo to go right on it. This cargo box measures 16 feet deep. You have 94 inches of interior usable width and 91 inches of usable height. It is equipped with a translucent roof, LED lighting, scuff boards, and a hardwood floor. On the rear, we have a pull-out ramp and a very massive step bumper that looks like it was taken straight from a locomotive. And keep in mind, if you need any upgrades inside that cargo box, we can definitely help you out with that. Taking a look inside the cab interior, it is in very nice condition. Everything works like it's supposed to, and it features all the amenities that you've come to expect in your average ISUZU out there on the road today. As a bonus, it has a factory seat covers on it, so the seats underneath are pristine clean. Quick commercial break. If you like this content and want to see more of it, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Hey Jeff, how do I buy this truck? Well, we take cash payments. You can bring your own lender to the table, or we have a lender standing by and we have a finance application right down in the link below. And here's our time-tested 5.2-liter turbo diesel engine with 54,000 miles on it. Has been serviced and inspected, and again, it's ready to hit the road. Keep in mind, we do offer nationwide delivery, and we have an optional coast-to-coast warranty available that stretches out to 3 years. It's a very nice product. If you're curious about ISUZU's 5.2-liter, this engine has been out on the road for quite some time. It's time-tested, and it has great reviews. And within this class of vehicle, it really doesn't have any competitors at all. Tires on this truck are all pretty nice. They're averaging in at about 70% tread depth. And that's about all the time we have. Just keep in mind, my name's Jeff with Truck and Trailer, and we're here to help you grow your business.